So you're continuing to work in the same time. How do they work in different scales? Scale up to understand what happens. When you pack a column, you need to have it packed so that it can stand over lifetime, and you have a long lifetime, hopefully. You have a long lifetime of the resin, and you will show that by running columns for a longer period of time as a company to make sure that your clients can trust that you have longevity. We do know in the industry that Sunresin creates very good resins, a good performance from a client point of view. You need to train the client in how to pack the column and also how to use the column, what kind of impact it has to run exactly as intended. And that will, Sunresin will guide you in how to work with the resin in the best way possible.
We have focused a lot on our customers. We know that product quality and cost efficiency is very important for our customers when they produce their biopharmaceutical molecules. And it's very important that the product quality and also the cost efficiency is very important. And that's what we address now in this column packing course. It's very basic but very important. So in this course we learn how to find the best column packing conditions in order to have a stable bed. And at Sunresin we prioritize customer support and technical service, so we frequently invite customers on-site for the on-site training. And I strongly believe that our products and customer support will make a difference for our customers in the biopharma industry.